Popular recording artist Determined, known for their song Kette Drum with Beanie Man, dies at age 52 years old. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Reggae singer Determined, best known for his iconic 1995 hit Kette Drum, has passed away at age 52 years old. The artist, born Rohan Bennett, died Thursday after a battle with stomach cancer. The news was confirmed by Paula Francis, his manager, and the mother of his three children. Kette Drum, produced by legendary producer Bobby Digital, was a Naya Bingi-inspired track that gained global attention, charting worldwide.
Oh, did it work? Listen, rains and road. Oh, did it? Wonderful thing. Oh, did it? I'm here. While I'm falling, sing along reggae music. So, Kette Drum, make me hear it sound. Kette Drum, make me run down. Kette Drum, make me hear it sound. Shake it and bury and make it go back.
The collaboration with Beanie Man features the latter's distinctive vocal paired with determined raw rustic delivery, creating a unique sound which resonated with fans. The song became a definition moment in reggae music and remains his signature hit. Though Kette Drum is widely regarded as Determined's biggest success, he enjoyed a fruitful career, particularly in collaboration with the Marley family. He toured with Ghetto Youths International, the label led by Stephen Marley in the US. His first stint with the Marley came in 2014 when he joined Stephen Marley Fruits of Life tour. His single Passenger was produced by Damian Marley, Stephen's younger brother, and one of the label's key figures. Determined had been with Ghetto Youths International since the 90s, when the company was in its formative stage. Kette Drum, a landmark in his career, coming just 1 year after he began his recording journey. It was one of the biggest reggae hits in 1995. Despite his untimely passing, Determined's legacy within reggae music is secured, with his contribution continuing to influence artists today. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.